Is your retirement plan feeling a little bland? You've got the usual suspects, ISAs, pensions, maybe a SIPP. But have you ever wondered if there's something a bit different out there, something with a spicy, nutty twist? Well, you might have heard the name nutmeg floating around, and you might be asking, is nutmeg a good option for my retirement? Let's be clear from the start, nutmeg isn't a magical, all-in-one retirement bullet. It's a robo-advisor, a digital platform that manages your investments for you based on your risk tolerance and goals. Think of it like a smart, automated portfolio manager. It takes your money and invests it in a diversified portfolio of ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, which are basically baskets of different stocks and bonds. This automated approach is what makes it so appealing to a lot of people. It's a low-effort way to get started with investing and build up your wealth over time. For retirement, a key part of the nutmeg appeal is their pension product. They offer a self-invested personal pension, or SIPP. This gives you the same tax benefits as a traditional workplace pension, but with the added flexibility of being able to choose and manage your investments through the nutmeg platform. So, you can consolidate old pensions, make regular contributions, and have nutmeg handle the nitty-gritty of the investing for you. It's a great way to take control of your pension without becoming a full-time stock market guru. Now, let's talk about the good and the not so good. On the plus side, nutmeg is incredibly accessible. The platform is user-friendly, and their fees are generally lower than traditional financial advisors. Their portfolios are well diversified, which helps spread risk, and the whole system is automated, which means you don't have to spend hours checking the markets. This makes it a fantastic starting point for people who are new to investing or who just want a hands-off approach. It's also a good way to see your money working for you and building up over time. But it's not without its drawbacks. The automation is great, but it also means less personalization. Unlike a human financial advisor, nutmeg won't be able to give you tailored advice for complex financial situations, like inheritance tax planning or estate management. Also, while their fees are competitive, they aren't the absolute lowest on the market. If you're a super savvy investor who wants to pick your own stocks and actively manage your portfolio, nutmeg's automated approach might feel a bit restrictive. And, of course, like any investment, your capital is at risk. There are no guarantees of returns. The value of your investments can go down as well as up. So, is nutmeg a good option for retirement? The answer is, it depends on you. If you're looking for a simple, low-cost, and hands-off way to invest for your future, it's an excellent choice. It's a solid, reliable platform that can help you build a diversified pension pot without the stress of active management. It's particularly good for those who are just starting out on their retirement journey. However, if you have a complex financial picture or you want complete control over your investments, you might want to consider other options. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.